Timothy here again. Welcome to my YouTube tutorial, and in this tutorial it's going to be more of data entry and data analysis. Follow me, let's dive deeper. So this is a data, or these are data rather. These are data. I've already inputted all this into my Excel sheet. So what I basically want to show is how to format your cells in Excel. Okay, so now there are some times you may want to get some certain values and you are not getting them due to the wrong format you've given it. So I'm just basically going to show you how to format your sheet, or your cell rather, based on what you want as the end result. So this is just a data for monitoring the usage of electricity, both as a NEPA, which is in Nigeria we call it NEPA. That's the electricity supplied from the government. Then we have the generator, the ones we get from using our generator machine. So now maybe you have organization whereby you take records of how the usage of NEPA and that of generator is. Now this most times is taken per week, right, which is on a weekly basis. So from day 1 to the 7th day of the business, of running of the business. So now here is on 20th of May. Now it runs through from the first, on 20th, right, which is okay. So what I'm trying to say here is it will run through a particular day for the week. Now this is just for a single day, and if I should this is the total of NEPA used for that particular day. This is the total of gen used for that particular day. Now if I should highlight this, hold my control and highlight this, it should give me 24, which is 24 hours, because the time format used here is 24 hours and not 12 hours. Okay, so once I click this and this, once I highlight the two of them, I should have 24, which shows that okay, I'm accurate. That is within 24 hours this and this percentage is being used. Alright, so now once I click this and this, like I said, I would have 24 hours and the average will give me 12 hours, obviously. So it shows that for this particular day, throughout the day, this is the total time we run the gen, and this is the total time we run we run the NEPA and we run the gen. Okay, so now, which is hour per minute, right? So this is the hour, this is the minute. So that means for 10 hours out of the 24 hours, the NEPA was on, and for 9 hours out of the 24 hours, the the NEPA was running, right? So now there are times whereby you input a particular figure and you won't have the actual figure you're expecting. For instance, now I have here is 06 18. Okay, then I have here is 09 04, right? So now this is okay. So now you're having the actual value you want. What if in a situation we will have, let's say, okay, let me take this for instance, and let me just change the format to, because this is already well formatted. So what I'm actually trying to show you might not get it well, but for instance, let's say you click on this cell, you right click, then you come to cell format. Now once you come to cell format, you will see general, number, custom and the likes. So whatever format you want to give it, you just come. So for now I'll come to custom. I'll click on custom. Let's say for instance I click on this is minutes and seconds, right? If I click on this, you see what I will have is quite different. It has formatted it to minutes, which if I'm going to calculate this is going to give me a very wrong answer. Okay, so what I'm just trying to show in this tutorial is just to show you how to format your cell based on what input, or based on what output you want to get by your input. Now, by my input, if you look at this clearly, you discover that I put in this same value here, but what I'm getting here is different. Why? Because of the formatting of this particular cell. Now, if I come here and give this cell the same format I give this, you see the figure here also will change, which I right click, I go to cell format, then I come to minute, second, and I click OK. Now it has changed the figure. So now if I'm going to use this to make my calculation or to make my analysis, I will obviously get a wrong answer. So now this is just to show you how to format your cell based on the output you want from the cell. So now what I want this to give me as an output is, I want it to give me where is it? So I want it to give me this as my answer. So I want you to give me this as my answer. I want you to give me this as my answer. So what I just did was just to right click, then go to cell format, then I come to hour per minute, because hour and minute, because that's what I want. I want hour. Now this shows that this is hour, minute, and seconds. If I want it to give me my seconds as well, I'm just going to click this and I'm going to click OK. So it has given me the hour, the minute, and the seconds. Okay, so but basically what I just want is hour and minute. So I'll just right click, come to cell format, and I'll come to hour, minutes, then I'll click on OK. Now let me just click on hour, minutes, seconds, AM and PM. I think this works for, it shows that okay, this is actually AM, which is 6 AM, and it's for this. Okay, let me try to change it to 20, let's say 21. Let's see what it gives me. Now 21 gave me PM, which is, this is a 12-hour format and no longer 24 hours format. Okay, so you discover that immediately I changed it to 21, it has converted it from 24 hours to 12 hours, which is 9 PM. So now it's showing PM because of the format I gave it. So now I want you to understand that if you're working on an Excel sheet, you have to be very conscious of how you format your cell. Okay, so now what I want is, I want you to give me my hour and minutes, just my hour and minutes. I'm going to click this. You can see it has turned everything to 2021, which is 9 PM. Okay, so now if you want to get your, it's 24 hours, so if you click on 2400, it's going to format everything back to 0. Why? The reason is because it's running on 24 hours. So once it gets to 24, it turns to 00, which is 00 AM, that's 12 AM. So it's going to turn back to 00 to make it 24 hours. Okay, so now what if in a context whereby you have this, I'll go to my cell format again, then I'll go to custom. Like I said, I'll go to custom, okay, so if you want it to be in 24 hours, you are just formatting it to be in 24 hours, but that's not what I actually wanted to show. Good. This is what I wanted to show you. Now let's say I input 06 18. You see, it's going to give me 618, right? Meanwhile, I want it to be 06. So now this is just a result. This is as a result of the fact that the formatting of this cell does not go in line with this. So what I need to do is to reformat it so that it could accommodate this cell. So in case what you want is this particular format and you're getting something else. So what you just need to do is just come to that particular cell, right click, go to format cells, then go to custom. So once you go to custom, you will see that what you need is, this is hour minute, right? But what we want is actually not this particular format, because if you look at the end, you see you have art at the end, so which is not what we wanted. So we have to go back to the one that has hour, minute, or does not have art at the end. Now another thing you can use, another format or another method you can use to get it right is looking at this sample. It has shown you the sample at which it will come out, so you have to be very conversant with this, be very observant. If you come here, you see that it's showing 618 too, but I want it to be 0618, so I'll come back to this and I'll click. You see it has come back to 0618, so I'll just click OK, and boom, that's it. So basically that's what I want to show for today, and subsequently I'm going to show you how I made this table and also some other formatting features, or probably you can try some other features like that. But then I'll see you on the next one. I hope you really enjoyed this tutorial. Please, if you enjoyed this tutorial, ensure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the like button, and share this with your friends. Like I said, I'm back. Honestly, I'm back. I'll be dropping tutorials relating to tech, UI UX design, graphic design, and some other techs like this. Maybe data analysis, a little bit of data analysis. Then I hope you'll be fine with it. So encourage me by subscribing to this YouTube channel. If you want more of this tutorial, let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.